Today we're gonna do a fun experiment, but first we have to look like real scientists. Whoa! Hello, my name is Kalal. Welcome to Science Kids Zone. This is the funniest video in the world. You're gonna have a lot of fun. Today I have a package and I hope it has all the tools I wanted to do and make the experiment with. Where does it open? I don't know. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna take everything out. About what we got in a science lab kit. So I got 4 droppers, what you see right here, and second, a measuring cup and a testing cube and a measuring spoon, and last but not least is a tweezers and a magnifying glass. So I got a funnel what prevents water from going everywhere and flooding your house. And I have a beaker so you can hold stuff in it. Most important is my ID card. It shows that I'm a professional experiment man. Today's video we're gonna make rainbow rains. For this experiment we'll use droppers, cooking oil, and some food coloring, which is yellow, red, blue, and last but not least, you have the water. First, we're gonna pour 200 milliliters of water into the chemical flask. Ooh, it's up to the line. Now we're gonna put 20 ml of cooking oil into the measuring cup. Oh yeah. That's good. So now we're gonna put 5 drops of each color into the cooking oil. Now let's start from this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already see it starting to do reaction. the stairwell. Now I can mix. It's time to do it. Oh yeah, I knew it would go well. So now we're gonna put the oil and food coloring into the conical flask. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, that's really good. That is good. One's falling. Wow, did you see the one falling? Look, it's right there. Now we have rainbows. Now we have rainbow rain. It's called that because when it falls down, it's like rain. Rain, rain, rain. Rainbow rain, rain. Rainbow rain, rain. I hope you enjoyed this video, kids. Subscribe to another video. I love you. Bye.